Good morning guys and welcome back to a new video. So the clock is currently 7:45. I just woke up, going to get everything prepared now for race day today. So we're racing in a local race here in Spain, Eikerveien. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, but we're racing here. The track is looking nice, ripped, watered, and I think it will be a good day of racing. So I'm just about to start preparing everything, take everything out of the car and stuff, so let's do it.
Chuki beat.
So technical control, oil change and oil filter changed. So everything looking perfect for the race. Now it's time for some breakfast. Got a sandwich here with bacon, tomato, egg and brie, champignons and egg. Killer breakfast. So just prepared some Ariete goggles with 7 teros for the training time practice, which is about 30 minutes. Just about to get changed now. I've got my pants on, and then next up is the top. It's a little bit hard to film because I'm concentrating on the race, so I forgot this one, but yeah, just getting changed now.
Chuki beat.
So training time practice done, was quite good. I had a big get off, as you could see. I'm feeling good, no problem with that. I just hit my stomach a little bit. Was hurt for 1 minute and then it disappeared. So only now I have some problems with my hip because it hit the ground, but only a few scratches I think, so no problem. So that last lap was actually a heater, but yeah, as you can see, I crashed. But yeah, I finished first anyway, so that was good. Now it's just to get ready for race 1, prepare some goggles with some tear off. Looking forward to racing. finished with a really bad day in Eikerveien. In race 1 I got the whole shot, but the whole shot device got stuck, so the front were pulled down, so I couldn't finish. So in the second race I grabbed the whole shot without the whole shot device, but I was riding really bad, so dropped back to 3 or something. Finished 3, I think, I don't know. Not actually sure, but really disappointed with my riding. It was not very good. So I will end the vlog now because I don't know what more to do today. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Full gas. Bye.